Hey friends, if you wish to fix Sihost.exe unknown hard error on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution will be to perform a clean boot on your system. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. And the final one is system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and then go to the recovery panel. Click on open system restore. Click on system protection. You have to do it earlier. I mean, you need to create a restore point earlier. Click on configure, turn it on, click on apply, then on OK, then create a test point or name it anything that you want to. I just named it test 1. But this has to be done well in advance, not at the time of restoring the system. And at the time of restoring the system, click on open system restore. Next, choose a good restore point. Next, finish, and then finally click on yes to initiate the process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.